It is probably not a surprise to any of you that definitely my most popular project that I've ever done as a YouTube video has been the Festival of Lights bangle. I just can't believe how many of you guys have made so many thousands and thousands of these bangles. It just blows me away, especially because it was one of my earlier projects when I first started doing the YouTube videos. So I just love that so many people jumped on board. So we're going to celebrate the Festival of Lights bangle. There are still new ways of making them. I've got a couple of videos that are coming up here pretty soon, how to do a flat Festival of Lights and how to do a Festival of Lights with a clasp. We are freshening up the kits that we carry at JillWisemanDesigns.com for the Festival of Lights. For example, this is a brand spanking new one. This is using Swarovski pearls, and it's an all gold version, and I think it just really looks super classy. I adore this one. It's a sample that I made for the Festival of Lights with a clasp. If you do not like bangles, you can make it with a clasp. So this is one of the brand new colorways. We've got a bunch of new colorways coming out, and I thought that I would give some away to celebrate that. Let's give away 3 kits. What you need to do is leave a comment below with how about your favorite project that you have seen on JillWisemanDesigns.com. Brownie points if you have actually physically made the project, but it's not going to get you an extra entry. I just love to know that. So comment down below, and if you stay tuned, we'll tell you when the contest runs and when the winner video will be up. I hope you enjoy making more Festival of Lights bracelets, because we're making more kits for you.